It is the 15th of February as I'm recording this right now, and that means it's time for a What Sold video for the first 2 weeks in February. I sold a book on eBay that I've had around for quite some time. It's really, really good condition. Has a little bit of a bend in the cover right there. It's called Snake Pilot, Flying the Cobra Attack Helicopters in Vietnam. It's been up for sale for quite some time, but I just sold it on eBay for $8. I have a sale in the H-bin. I repacked this recently, so it should be, no, actually it is on the top. This is one of the lenses that I had from that camera deal. This is a Minolta Maxim. It's an AF-35 to 70 millimeter. I had gotten a big bin full of camera stuff for like $20. And I've almost listed all of them. Not quite, but this is a lens for an old Minolta camera, I think from the 80s, and it's in great condition, and it just sold on eBay. Unfortunately, it didn't sell for, let me see, where's that price tag? Look at how much that originally sold for. That's crazy. I sold it for that much, $19. So it sold on eBay for $19. Going to South Carolina. I have a sale out of the F-bin. This is exclusively just clothing. Oh, it's heavy. Why is that so heavy? Wow. Sorry, guys. Man. I'm trying not to drop things. So it's a Hawaiian shirt. It's a Kona Kai shirt. It's actually a really cool pattern. Yeah, it's so smashed. It's this pattern. And I can't even see the tag because it's so smashed in there. But it's a Kona Kai Hawaiian shirt. It's been around for a while and just sold it on eBay for $10. I just packed this up and realized I forgot to video it. So I also sold this brand new with tags Adidas Original trefoil hoodie. Picked it up at a garage sale for $5 or $6, something like that. And sold it for $28 on eBay. Man, my monitor is really dirty. Sorry about that. I sold another one of the Global eggs. Got something in the way. Wow, I have more left than I realized. I bought a bunch of these. They're all the same. They're all from 1978. This is what they look like. This one is kind of an example. 1978. It's like little peep, little Easter thing. It's some kind of ceramic. And it's vintage. And literally, it just was all from 1978. They're all the same. And I just sold one. I've had them for quite a while. Just sold this one for, I accepted an offer for $5. At this point, $5, I'm still making profit because I've already made my money back on this and then some. So yay, getting it out the door. And now that I realized I have more, because I think my listing only has one left, but now I've got at least 3 more, so I have to change my listing. I have a sale out of the J-bin. Let's pull that down again. This one is a hat that I've had for a while. Not too long, I suppose. It is a black youth size LA Dodgers hat. Where in the world? Okay, I think I found it. Yeah, it's completely black, even the embroidery, which is really cool. It is a youth hat, but I just sold it on eBay for $18. You know, I'm so glad that I, for the most part, keep the lids on my bins because look at the dust that gathers. And I still have to put plastic on stuff inside the bins. Anyways, I just sold something out of the A-bin. It's one of my first listings. It's a VHS tape down here. I think I listed this in 2021 when I first started reselling in earnest. Yeah, it's a VHS tape. I just sold it for, I think, around $8 or $10. I don't know, on eBay tonight. So I am really happy to see this go because I was getting close to pulling this and just throwing it in a yard sale or donating it. But now I've made my money back on it and then some. It's one of the hats. Oh, where is it? I think it's a yellow one. That's it right there. It's a Wyoming college of some sort. And forgive me, I'm completely blanking on its name. But really cool hat that I picked up recently. University of Wyoming, Wyoming State, I have no idea. The Cowboys just sold it on eBay for $12. I sold one of my vintage Underwriters gas can here. Let me see. Underwriters Laboratories Inc. It's a safety can. Number A911012. I don't know the age on this. I just don't know. But I just sold it. I think it's a drop shipper. It's one of those Shop Airlines things. And sold it for $19. I have a sale. It's the left-hand side of records. It is a bunch of little minifigs for the Legos. They're just random ones with faces and hats. And I see that minifigs can sell for quite a bit of money. These are pretty generic, but I still put them up for sale, and I sold it for a little over $5 tonight on eBay. I just sold a 3-pack of these red refractor cards from the 2024 Chrome series for Topps Star Wars. I sold these things, and I sold them for $5.40 on eBay. Got a sale in the closet that's been around forever. This is a print cartridge that I picked up a couple of years ago. Oh gosh, let me get it out without knocking anything over. There we go. It was in a $5. We had for a brief amount of time like a store, like a bin store out in Indio. Didn't last very long. Didn't have the greatest stuff, but I picked this up for a little over $5 and just finally sold it on eBay for $63. Got another sale. This is an empty box. Sorry. My last little model kit sold on eBay. I don't know if this was an offer or I sent out an offer, but I just sold this for a little over $14. I just sold volumes 1 through 4 of the Outlander series, that box set. I've already sold volumes 5 through 8, and this was the first 4. Great series to read and or watch on Stars. It's awesome. But this is brand new and just sold it on eBay for $18.99. I have a sale from the J Bin. Let's put damn. Okay. It's a hat. And it's right up on top. Nice. So this was some goofy one. It's the Krusty Krab. Just sold it to somebody in Arizona. I think it says home of the crab cakes. I could be wrong. I forgot how much I sold it for, but with shipping and everything, the guy is all in for over $20, so it was a decent sale. I have a sale. I got this off of an auction site. I want to say it's a CT Bids thing. They're really great, brand new RPG books for Starfleet Academy. We got supplement number 3 and supplement number 1 for fighters and fast patrol ships. And somebody in Canada just bought both of them. Oops, I'm trying not to drop it. I'm doing this one-handed. I paid about like $18 or $19 a piece for them, and I just sold them for about $37 a piece. So the profit's there. It's not fantastic, but it's still a profit. That's all I have for you right now. If you like this kind of content, be sure to click like down below and comment on your favorite item too. I don't know. I'm kind of glad I finally sold those Starfleet books. They've been hanging around for a while, but I knew they were good. It just took the right buyer to come along. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.